In this video, we will show the best henna powder available to buy. At number 10. Biotique Bio Henna Fresh Powder. This hair coloring powder is made with all natural ingredients. These ingredients work together to add shine and strength to the hair while adding rich brown color. At number 9. Shahnaz Husain Henna Precious Herb Mix, a powerful blend of herbal henna for hair. The formulation contains henna, along with other precious herbs that are known to condition and strengthen the hair. At number 8. Trichup Henna Powder. Trichup Henna offers 100% natural henna powder, which is safe for both hairs as well as hands. No artificial colors or coloring agents are added. At number 7. Indus Valley Bio Organic Henna Powder. It gives natural brown hair color, it nourishes your hair, makes hair healthier and strong. It have properties like anti-dandruff, regrowth of hair. At number 6. Khadi Omorose Indigo and Heena Powder. Natural henna powder is a plant product, which have the power to stain hair and skin. It's 100% natural and safe to use. At number 5. Banjara's Natural Henna. Banjara's natural henna is made out of best and pure henna leaves. 100% natural and no added artificial chemicals or color. At number 4. Godrej Nupur Henna. Godrej Nupur, the 100% natural henna, is loved by millions of Indians. Henna is deeply rooted in Indian tradition, not only as a 100% natural hair color but also a natural hair conditioner. At number 3. Havintha Natural Herbal Henna Hair Pack. It is determined to provide high-quality herbal products to its customer here and abroad. Great hair conditioner, rich color, makes your hair shine. At number 2. NatureBay Naturals Henna Powder. It will give natural henna color red-brown, no dark black color, because natural henna can't give black color. It can be used for hair, hands, foot for men and women. At number 1. Hennahub Natural Henna Leaves Powder. Henna powder is grinding dried henna leaves to a fine powder. If you are looking for natural alternative to chemical hair dyes, henna can be quite cooling to the scalp.